Okay, here's a little update. I got this floor finished somewhat. I was able to use this piece of the old floor. I bent it up and then laid it back on top of the old one. Over here though, I had to make my own. It wouldn't work. I used 16 gauge, which is really thick. It was really tough to get that to bend right. You can see I just crudely hammered that in. I mashed that in, but it's gonna work. I just kind of ground the welds a little bit. I'm not going all the way down with them just because I'm gonna put a mat over it. So I'm just gonna primer it and then put something down. I'll probably put some of this Rust-Oleum stuff. I use it on outside equipment and it works pretty good. And then I got some kilmat on the way. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, knock that out, and then I just got a little bit on the firewall left and I'll be done. It's just a quick catch-up video. I think last time I had the floor wasn't coated, so I finished the floor. I got it primered. And then I've got the cab done, right? So it's all ready to go. I'm going to my next day's off. I got to go back to work tonight, but my next day's off, I'll be installing this stuff. Some kilmat on the floor inside, and then on the firewall, it had this. See, this factory stuff is still here underneath the tunnel, but you know, I think there was a piece that was supposed to go up against the firewall. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I ordered some stuff. That way the exhaust and turbo sits right there. It'll help deaden the sound a little bit and heat insulation, but that'll get done also. It's in the mail. It's an aluminum with sticky backing, and it's about 1 inch thick. I think it's foam / fiberglass stuff or something like that. So then that'll be the next step. And then I'll lower the cab and hang the fenders because I need to figure out the radiator support next. That'll be the next thing to figure out, which I'll have to cut. I'll have to cut the top of the Super Duty one off and graft the top of this one off because this bottom is wider, where it goes from here to here. This won't fit between the frame rails. You know, there's a mounting hole right there and another mounting hole right there where it mounted to the bullnose frame, and this in here is wider, so it doesn't slide down in there. So I know that'll have to go away. But I know a guy on Facebook, he just cut somewhere right in here. He cut all that bottom stuff off and then grafted it to where he could, you know, use the top and close the hood and all that kind of stuff. So that'll be next, but that's it for now. Like I said, I'll update. I'll shoot a little video and take some pictures of it when I hang the cab and the fenders and all that stuff. If you got any questions, let me know. Yeah, we'll see you hopefully in a couple weeks.